All right, hello and welcome to another How's About Thursday. And today we're going to get on hows.com and get into the dilemma section and see if there's a question that we can help answer. And here we go. So if you're on your house page, you can go to stories and advice and then design dilemma and the discussion section of hows, and we can start to get into some of the questions that people are having. Let's see here. We've got please help with paint color, LED kitchen cabinet lighting, wireless chime not working, kitchen upgrades. What would you do? So let's see what Alicia Freeman has to say here. And this was something posted about 3 minutes ago. So, hi all, I've posted in here a few times with some different ideas, and everyone has been so helpful to point out some issues. I was originally looking at a layout change, but the people we hear were helpful in pointing out some issues I would run into with that. Obviously, it's easiest to move sink to center island and keep everything else, but then stove would be in the main walkway. We're planning to be in the home 2 to 4 more years, so not long enough to spend $40,000 on our dream kitchen. With that said, I'm interested in opinions on what you would do to update this kitchen with short amount of time we plan on staying. So let's see what they have issues with the kitchen itself. Okay, what we got looks like a skylight here. You've got 2 doors that are coming in to that space. Looks like maybe one's a pantry. I'm not sure. Then a hallway comes in. Refrigerator's there. They got the little coffee area. It looks like a little breakfast area. Looks like they've got no place for their trash can. A bar that probably never gets used. And what am I doing? Let's see here. And this kitchen here. Okay, so let's take a look at this and see what we might do with this space. First thing I think I would do is things are being lost between this island bar top and the kitchen. It feels like it's a big separation of space, and I think it would actually be more inviting if there was a way that we could open that up to the rest of the house. So I'm going to see if maybe I can do this and take a screenshot here. We'll open that up. So maybe what if we went in and cut this down to counter level, and actually instead of making it curve back, maybe we extend that out so it's more shaped like this. You could actually do something cool with bringing the counter down here, and then that would open up this area for your sink, and you could you extend that top out a bit so it comes out further on this side, allowing you to have some stools here, some lower stools that would allow you to come in and kind of use this space a little bit more. So you've got this counter that comes in, turns down. Some of the backside stuff, let's see here. We've got, this is fine. It's probably not that big of a deal. I think it would be a little bit better if maybe this came out and had some kind of full height feature there, just to balance out possibly. I don't know if you want to get into this, but maybe some parts of your house already have this arch, but if they don't, you might want to come in and clean that up, take that off, and do a simple trimmed opening there. Cool skylight, which is good, filters light down in there. I assume this right here is the pantry, probably, but I'm not sure, and I'm not sure where this door goes. I think, given the fact that you're not going to be there that long, I think the key is maybe to do something with this kitchen island that would, it looks like there's also some like things with the ceiling going on. I don't know if that's a skylight. It looks like it may be a skylight there. Maybe there's some kind of like dormer thing that pops up here, because it looks like that wall continues up there and this is kind of lit up. So maybe, I mean, depending on how much you want to put into it, you could do, you've got really cool high ceilings, so you could do some kind of beam type of things, something with a ceiling that could be interesting. You could come in with something here that would allow you to, you know, hang some kind of cool light fixture over the island now. And I'm just going to continue to get messy here, and maybe you got some kind of cool funky light that you could put in over that new island. Maybe there's some kind of beam that comes across and ties all that in, and do something cool back there. Another thing you can do is maybe replace this fixture with something a little bit more modern or different, unique, and then and clean up some of this area here. You could even extend this cabinet. Looks like this goes to the wall though, so maybe you don't want to do that. But maybe clean up some of this and do like a one nice big piece of art here on the wall that will just clean and simplify that whole area. So that's kind of the idea, is maybe add one more vertical element here. You could even, if you wanted to, build in some kind of like tall, since you have so much space, you could build in something tall here and actually have like books, or like a lot of books up here on top of your cabinets. And actually, if you came down with like one of those library ladder type things, that could be, because you just got so much ceiling there. I don't know. That's just like a funky idea, would be to put in some kind of crazy cool ladder type thing that accesses all that stuff up there, and then simplify this area here. Get rid of all the knickknacks and do something more simple. Extend the lower counter out. Make that deeper, so that you can start to use that from both sides, and connect the living room with the other room. So those are all my ideas, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you're enjoying How's About Thursday, they're every Thursday, and you can also head over to whitewashstudio.com/YouTube and catch them there if you want. Check out the website while you're there. Just go around, browse around, see what you like, and leave me a comment on a video. If you're having a design dilemma yourself, I would love to help you out with it. So leave a comment and let me know what you're struggling with, and hopefully I can help you get through your challenges that you're having with your home. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you soon.